Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Ott again. Before we begin writing beginning and ending sounds of words, we need to put our paper together. So you should have a strip of paper that looks like mine. It has sun, lips, feet, bed, plug, box, and card. You should also have a piece of paper just like mine. It's a half sheet, so it's just one piece of paper cut in half. Yours might be colored. Mine is white. So next, you are going to take this, flip it over, and you can do this with me, boys and girls. You're going to use your glue stick and put glue right on the back. Then you're going to glue this right in the center of your paper. The center means right in the middle. You have a space on the left and you'll have a space on the right. Next step, write your name. You can write your name at the top somewhere, nice and small. Okay, next, we're going to draw some lines to help us put our letters in the correct spot. So do you see the black line that separates each picture? So you're going to start on the left, and you can do this while I'm doing it. Just go straight out just a little bit. So you have a line extending from the black line all the way out. We're going to do the same on the right side. That line is just a place to put your letter. Okay, so now your paper should be all set up for writing the beginning and the ending sound of each picture. So let's start. Today, we're going to do this whole page together. Tomorrow, I will let you do more on your own. Okay, are we ready? We're just writing the beginning and the ending sound. So let's say the picture. Sun. What's the first sound in sun? And what letter is that? I'm going to make a lowercase s on my line right in front of sun. Sun. N. Yep. The letter that goes N is N. Please make sure you're not starting at the bottom and that you go down, retrace with a hump. Sun. Great job. What do we have next? Yeah, the arrow is pointing to one lip. So everybody say lip. What's the first letter of lip? Yep, O, and that is L. Lip. Yep. Lowercase p is the letter that falls. Make sure your p is not standing up on that line. Lip. Okay, next we have feet. Everybody say feet. What's the first sound in feet? F. And what's that letter? Lowercase f. Feet. T is T. Excellent. Next we have bed. Everybody say bed. What's that first letter sound? B. Lowercase b, friends. Down, up, and around. Bed. D. Yep, lowercase d. It goes around, tall stick, down. Bed. Next we have a plug. It's pointing to the plug. So, plug. That is a lowercase p, down below the line again. Plug. G is a lowercase g. It goes around, up, and it's a letter that falls, so your tail should be below the line. Okay, Box, box. What's the beginning sound of box? We have B, and that letter is B, just like you had for bed. Down, up, and around. Ox. There's one letter that goes X. Yeah, that's X. Box. Excellent. One more. This is a card. Card. Okay. K makes two letters make the K sound. C or K. Which one do you think it is? It is C. Card. D. Yep, lowercase d goes around, up, down. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you for working hard with me. Tomorrow we will do this again, working on beginning and ending sounds of words.